Magnesium ribbon must be cleaned before burning in air. This is to ensure that any traces of oil or dirt which could prevent burning are removed. Removal of these contaminants is important as they may limit the intensity and duration of the flame. Additionally, when magnesium ribbon is dirty, it may give off smoke and sparks that are not suitable for certain activities. Another reason to clean the ribbon is that contaminants can cause oxidation and rust, both of which weaken the ribbon and may cause it to break prematurely. Cleaning magnesium ribbon before burning also allows for a brighter and longer burning flame. The cleaning process must be performed carefully in order to ensure all debris is removed from the ribbon. The cleaning should involve wiping down the ribbon with a towel or cloth and removing any excess oil or dirt. The ribbon should then be placed in a container filled with distilled or deionized water. This will help dissolve any remaining contaminants on the ribbon. After being placed in the water, the ribbon should be agitated to ensure that all of the dirt and oil are completely removed. After being agitated, the ribbon should be taken out of the container and placed onto a clean surface. The ribbon should then be rinsed with clean water to remove any remaining residue. Finally, the ribbon should be dried with a towel or cloth to ensure all of the water is wiped away. Once the cleaning process is complete, the ribbon should be burned in a well-ventilated area in order to prevent any dangerous fumes from accumulating. This will ensure that the magnesium ribbon burns safely and properly in air. Ensuring the proper cleaning of a magnesium ribbon is essential in order to have a successful burning experience. Cleaning the ribbon is fairly simple and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the size of the ribbon. A clean ribbon will burn intensely for an extended duration, while a dirty one will give off more smoke and sparks than necessary. It is important to note that metal filings or chips will need to be picked up and disposed of when performing cleanings. These particles can spark and ignite explosions when mixed with other chemicals. Also, any paper or newspaper should be kept away from magnesium ribbon, as they can ignite quickly. Taking the proper steps to clean a magnesium ribbon before burning in air will ensure that the burning process is safe and successful. It will also ensure that a bright, long-lasting flame is produced without any danger. Using a cloth or towel and something to agitate the ribbon are all that is needed to get the job done in an effective way. It may also be necessary to seek advice from a professional to ensure that the cleaning process is done correctly.